Everybody, Dr. D here. Today I wanted to follow up on a talk that we did with you guys last week. We talked about make sure you're having clean meats. So once you've changed your meats, the next step would be to make sure you're going to more organic vegetables and fruits. Now, not everything has to be organic. Obviously, it doesn't hurt to be organic. We want majority of it to be organic if you can. Now, organic means there's just less pesticides, less sprays. That means it's not genetically modified. So those are the things we want to go towards. Now, there's Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen. They're my environmental working group, EWG. You can get an app for your phone or anything. But they have a Clean 15. So these are the Clean 15s are fruits and vegetables that don't need to necessarily be organic. There's not a very high pesticide load to them. Now the other ones, the Dirty Dozen, there is a very high pesticide, so lots of chemicals, lots of toxins put on these, so that is actually absorbed into that fruit or that vegetable. So we want to be avoiding those. So we want those to definitely be organic. So those things to look for. And kind of one of those tips of what that is, if you're eating the outside of it, you're eating the shell, the skin of it, that you want to be organic. If you're not, if you're eating only the inside, the fruit of it, whether it be like an avocado or a harder fruit, something like that, that you're eating the inside of only, that can be more your conventional. But a really good way when you're going through the grocery store to look for that, there's a little sticker that should be on your fruits and your vegetables, and the little sticker on there should have some numbers on it. Now those numbers, if there's 4 numbers, that means it's conventional. That's the typical what you would find. It's going to have some pesticides, some sprays, some of that with that. Now, if there's 5 numbers instead of 4 and it starts with an 8, that means it's genetically modified. So we definitely want to stay away from those. Anything with an 8 on there, when there's 5 digits and then one of them's an 8, we want to stay away from that. If it has a 9 instead, if there's 5 digits and it has a 9 in it, that means it's organic. So that means that's safe, that's something you want to get. And this works at any grocery store out there, anything that has that little sticker stuck to your apples or your fruit or anything like that. So those are the things to look for, the numbers to look for when you're looking at your fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're having, the organic's always going to be your best choice. So 9, so quick way to remember, someone taught me this, 9 is mine, 8 not great. So if that help you remember what to look for, always looking for that 9 with 5 digits. So that is your tip for the day, and have a good one.